Hurry up! Hurry up! Let's go! You didn't even call me this morning.
Yeah.
20. 20.
Who's that?
You said I love you to your dad?
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi, Garrett.
This is my big sister. I'm her little brother.
That's Garrett.
Can we stop that and start it?
Okay. Say bye,
I
Garrett.
like lacrosse, but
I was just playing.
well, I like lacrosse.
I like long walks on the beach over there. I like this.
Where's the ball?
Hey, Bosh. How you doing?
That's Osh.
Hey!
That's Garrett.
Um,
He likes girls.